What was the name of that bird again? I think it was, Oh, hello there. You're the new person that came around with the other Hashira, didn't you? I see. Well, at least you weren't as rude as that Tanjiro boy. So, I will treat you with respect as well. My name? Tokito. What is your name? Oh, I'll try to remember your name, because I think it sounds very pretty. I am the Wind Hashira, or more specifically, I'm the Mist Hashira. So, was there anything you needed from me? Oh, no? I see. Oh, you wanted to eat with me. Well, I mean, I did just get my meal from my master, so we can eat if we want to. Although, our master is teaching us how to eat with proper utensils, like they do up in the northern regions of Japan. Although I'm not really skilled with it, I can at least try. I'm used to eating traditionally, like the others do. So eating with a knife and a fork is very new to me. Oh, thank you for the meal. What was the name of this food again? Ah, I see. Chicken and broccoli. I have a feeling eating with me is not the only thing you wanted to do. I could just sense it somehow. You want to learn a bit more about what's happening down here in southern Japan, don't you? Okay, well, there has been these earthquakes recently that's been disturbing these lands, and it's been attracting more demon activity because it might be destroying their home world under us. They think we're up to it, when in all reality, it might be something even bigger than them. What was it called again? The more scientific term of these earthquakes? Seismic activity. Okay. Well, in your case then, seismic activity has been happening here. It's destroying a lot of property around here. A lot of villages have been going down recently because of these seismic activities. And that's why the Hashira are more on a high end than ever. Because, well, we don't really know when the demons are going to attack, and we have to be prepared at all costs. And that's why I'm not really eating right now, because I'm prepared to fight. I do thank you for sharing your meal with me, though. I am grateful for you. And with you being under the wing of another Hashira, you'll be treated as same here. We're all basically family, in some sort. What was your name again? I see. Well, we here welcome you. And we'll treat you as we always do, with respect. Because, well, you're getting trained by a Hashira. I've already said this already, but we will treat you with respect. So, we want respect back. Because as of right now, we all are your teacher, not just him. Again, I'm not really too up to date when it comes to northern Japan and what they do. I was raised down here in the southern regions, so I'm not really up to date with these new sorts of technology. Like that in your hand. What is that called again? A cell phone. It's to make calls? So, in the northern region of Japan, you guys don't write messages and send them on crows? That's interesting. I'm going to have to ask my master if we could visit northern Japan one day. I'll be very grateful if we're able to, but if not, I will continue my training and be more aware of what's going to happen soon. Again, I thank you for coming to visit me, but I have to continue my training, and I have to get stronger. So, what's your name again? I'm sorry. I have to keep training again. I'm sorry if I keep forgetting your name. I'm a very forgetful person. But please, if you do not mind, I would like to get back to my training. You've kind of interrupted my meditation state. No, it's not a problem at all. Meditation is really easy for me to get back into. But again, I thank you for the meal that you shared with me tonight. I very do appreciate it. And also thank you for visiting me. Alright, you have a good night now.